Hello world and welcome to Tech Bull. Today we will learn the concept of object-oriented programming. What is object-oriented programming? In object-oriented programming, we first create a class and then create object from that class. So what is a class? Basically, a class is a collection of related variables and methods. Methods are nothing but functions. That means all the related variables and methods are wrapped in a class. And after when this class is created, we make objects from this class. Here is a general representation of a class. Let's consider an example of a class. Here we have created an animal class which has hair color, skin color and blood as data, and walk, sleep, eat, etc. are some of the functions or methods associated with that animal class. The next thing that comes in our mind is that what is an object? In real world, object shares two characteristics, state and behavior. Let's understand this by an example. Consider a dog object which has certain state and behavior. Color, name, breed, etc. can be considered as the state of a dog, and barking, biting, digging is the behavior of the dog. In object-oriented programming, object is an instance of a class. In this example, consider the breed of the dogs as objects and the class dog has attributes which are related to dogs, and these attributes are same for all breeds of dogs. The only thing that makes difference is their height, weight and shape. Object-oriented programming is classified into four types: encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance and polymorphism. These are the four pillars of object-oriented programming. Let's understand these one by one. First one is encapsulation. In this mechanism, we hide the data along with the method that operate on that data into a single unit, which is a class. In a shorter way, it is just a wrapping up of data and methods into a single class, which hides these things from the external world. Here is a real-world example for encapsulation. Consider starting a car. When we start a car, many events occur. As soon as we start a car, the spark is generated at the spark plug. Engine gets ignited. Fuel is pulled from the fuel tank and piston starts to oscillate. And when we release the clutch, the car starts to move. And all these events are hidden from the user. We only know how to start a car, and that's encapsulation. Second one is abstraction. This mechanism shows only essential attributes and hide unnecessary information. It will be more clear with an example. Consider you have a TV. To describe about your TV to your friend, you will tell him the company name, the inch of the TV, how much resolution it supports, and when your TV gets damaged, you take it to the repairman and he is only bothered about the circuitry of the TV. He don't want the informations like company name, resolution of the TV and likewise. And this is abstraction. The next one is inheritance. It is a mechanism in which one class acquires the property of another class. Consider this example where children inherits the characteristics of their parents, and that's inheritance where one class inherits the property of another class. And last one is polymorphism. It's not a difficult word. Poly just means many and morphism means forms. It is the condition of occurring in several different forms. Consider an animal class, and animals have several different forms like dogs, cats, human and so on. If you look at this, a dog is an animal, cat is an animal and human is also is an animal. And that's polymorphism. Hope you understood the concept of object-oriented programming, and thank you for watching.